sweet tooth back again. Gonna try the Milky Way challenge over again. I did it for fun last time, kind of joked around with my kids and didn't move too fast. Since I've done that, other people have submitted responses to Reckless Eating's 5 Milky Way challenge based on speed. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got my 5 Milky Ways. I did it. I started a video a minute ago. Didn't start the timer. There's the whole bar. It's open. I'll start with a fresh bar, move into that one, but it's all there. So anyhow, let's do this. Stoney put down the Megatoad. Put down a 155 on these 5. Dude's a beast. He's quicker than hell. Let's see how close I can get to that. That's what I'm trying to do today. Get as quick as I can be. So let's get this timer queued up. And the grill out, and off we go. Matt, you're an animal, dude. Ah. 255. Damn, Stoney. The Megatoad totally kicked my ass. But I shaved off a whole minute off my time. I'm not as pleased with this time as I expected to be. I expected to be under 2 minutes and 30 seconds at least. I struggled. This was actually the second time I've done this today. And I fucking hate Milky Way bars now, let me tell you what. But yeah, I was hammering through them. Got my first one down in 18 seconds. Got one bite into my second one. Totally choked. Had to gag myself to pull it back out. Gnarly piece of caramel. So I was a little bit... I was tripping. I didn't want to choke again. But anyway, I can't complain. 255 is still a minute better than I did. And only a minute more than Matt the Megatoad Stoney, who's one of the faster eaters in the United States. And anyhow, I hate Milky Ways. Reckless Eating, thanks for the challenge. Stony, great time, dude. Congratulations on setting that record. Sweet Tooth out.